Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anna K. Powell and today we are going to show you how to make money online. So my current country guys are in Jamaica, so we are going to use this website. Just go to Google and type in pickworker. So let's select. So this is it guys, so I'll just sign out and then show you how to sign up. My internet is moving like where today. So when you first come to pickworker, so this is how it will look guys. So you know Jamaica things are a little rough around the edge, like hard guys, but you can do this. So first you're going to hit sign up. So you're going to put in your name, your email address, your password, your nickname, select your country, Jamaica. You're going to click on I agree to their terms and conditions and privacy, and then you are going to hit sign up. So let's go in. Let's log in. So I already have an account guys, so I just log in. But for you would have to go to your email address and confirm. So guys, these are the tasks are available with pickworker for us. As you can see, 30 cents, even though they are small tasks guys, and you have to do like probably 20 of them or so forth. It's absolutely okay to do them. And then sometimes we are on our phone anyway scrolling through social media, so I don't think it's a big deal for us to just take some time to do a couple of these and make money while doing it, instead of scroll through social media and we are not making any money guys. So I think this is not so bad. So you have to start from somewhere. So guys, as you can see, I have video marketing. So let's see a video. I have social media and all of that. So this is paying like 50 cents. Let's see what they require. So guys, you just can take some time out your day and do these. So it's a go to this URL, unlock and watch this video. Watch this video for at least 20 seconds and take a screenshot of the moment when you are watching this video. The video title, the channel name must be visible. After watching the video, go to your wallet and know the transaction ID. So the required proof is a screenshot showing that you have watched the video for 20 seconds, the title of the video, and my channel name must be visible. Any incomplete task will be denied, and the video purchase transaction ID. So you will just upload the file here and just submit guys, and you do whatever they say here. It's a no link uploaders, and then you submit and then you go to our next step. It's that easy guys. So for me, I'm going back out. So let us show you guys. For me, this is my total earning so far, and this is my pending earning. So I can show you, this is my task. That finished task, I finished 17. Paid satisfied task so far, I do 14. And pending review, I have 3. So as you can see, these are my task so far that I have done in the last 2 days. So out of the last 2 days that I have done, I only get approved for one so far, so 2 is pending, and these are video 4 weeks ago, because I'm not really often on this, guys, but you can make money from it. So these are all my tasks that I've completed so far. As you can see, this one didn't get approved. So guys, you can start with this. It's not that bad, and you can also, if you have, you can have 2 accounts on this. If you want to promote a channel or anything, you can also sign up, so you can switch from employees to employer, where you create an account and do the same thing like this. You pay people like 40 cents or so forth to do tasks for you guys. So without further ado, please give this video a thumbs up if you get a ton of value from it, and like and share to other persons, because other person may want to know how to make money online. So guys, subscribe, hit the notification bell, so when I post, you'll be able to notify, and comment down below, guys, and more ways how to make money, so when I upload a video, you will notify. So thank you very much. Until my next video, bye. Thanks for joining.